Hello students, a warm welcome in my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about VSD. VSD is ventricular septal defect. So into the ventricles, two ventricles, right ventricle and the left ventricle. So if there is abnormal communication between right ventricle and the left ventricle, or abnormal communication between interventricular septum, so that is VSD. It is occurring 27 to 30% in congenital heart disease. It is also known as Rogers disease or interventricular septal defect. Interventricular means between the ventricle into the septum of the ventricles there is defect. So that's why it is known as interventricular septal defect. If a child is having multiple VSD, they are showing Swiss cheese like pattern. Now we will discuss the classification of VSD. VSD, it is of two types. One is membranous VSD and muscular VSD. Membranous means if the defect or the VSD, it is occurring into the membranous portion of interventricular septum. So if the defect is into the membrane portion of interventricular septum, membranous portion close to the AV node. Second is muscular, if the defect into the muscular portion of interventricular septum. Muscular portion is lower portion of the interventricular septum, and congenital VSD, it is more common into the muscular VSD. Now we will discuss the pathophysiology of VSD. As the shunting of blood is taking place from left to right, there is increased blood flow into the pulmonary artery. Due to increased pulmonary blood flow, increased pulmonary vasculature resistance, right side hypertrophy of the heart and volume overload on the right side, and pulmonary hypertension is taking place. One is Assi-Menger syndrome, when the resistance is increased due to pulmonary vasculature, the resistance into the lungs, it may exceed into the arteries of the arteries. That the resistance is exceeding into the arteries than rest of the body, and it may lead to reversal of the blood flow. This syndrome is known as Assi-Menger syndrome. If the reversal of blood flow is taking place, the child may present with cyanosis, dyspnea, hemoptysis, palpitation, reduced exercise tolerance, syncope, and atrial fibrillation. Now we will discuss the signs and symptoms of VSD. The child may present with palpitation, dyspnea on exertion, frequent chest infection, congestive cardiac failure. On examination, the child may present with widened pulse pressure, murmur, abnormal heart sound like S2 and S3. Now we will discuss the investigation. How we will diagnose that the child is having VSD. The one is ECG, echo, chest radiography, MRI, ultrasonography, and angiography. Now we will discuss the types. There are three major types of VSD: small VSD, moderate VSD, and large VSD. Small VSD means if the जो size है VSD का, it is less than 3 mm. It is hemodynamically insignificant. 80 to 85% of all VSD मस्कुलर क्लोज सूनर देन द मेम्ब्रेनस. जो अभी हमने पढ़ा था कि मस्कुलर और मेम्ब्रेनस दो टाइप का VSD है, तो जो मस्कुलर क्लोजर होता है वो सूनर होता है एज कंपेरिजन टू मेम्ब्रेनस. क्लोज स्पॉन्टेनियसली, जो स्मॉल VSD है वो अपने आप क्लोज हो जाता है 50% बाई 2 ईयर. 90% ऑफ स्मॉल VSD वो 6 ईयर तक क्लोज हो जाता है, 100% ड्यूरिंग स्कूल ईयर. तो स्मॉल VSD के अंदर जो गैप होगा वो लेस देन 3 mm का होगा. मॉडरेट VSD के अंदर जो गैप होगा वो 3 to 5 mm डायमीटर एंड विदाउट एनी एविडेंस ऑफ CHF एंड पल्मोनरी हाइपरटेंशन. जो लार्ज VSD होगा वो होगा 6 to 10 mm इन डायमीटर एंड सर्जिकल मैनेजमेंट इज नीडेड. As we were discussing the management of VSD, so conservative management should be given to treat the congestive cardiac failure, prevent and treatment of infective endocarditis. Surgical management is also done for VSD if it is large VSD. So indications are if moderate to large shunt is there, failure to thrive, continued congestive cardiac failure and recurrent pulmonary infection. तो क्या मैनेजमेंट है? ओवल पैच और डैक्रोन पैच और निटेड डैक्रोन पैच इट इज यूज्ड and it is sutured posteriorly and continuous suture anteriorly. Because of surgery or because of VSD, the child may have some complication like CCF, congestive cardiac failure, infective endocarditis, complete heart block, delayed growth, failure to thrive, and pulmonary hypertension. So this was related with VSD. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe.